Those guys, Undaba Mhlongo, Joe Mafela, Simon Savela, you know, khona ifilimu uDeliwe. Mina ngifike kuDeliwe 2 ngawu-actor nabo boy 3. Mina beze kuthiwa hayi awuye kuhleka siyashutha ngithi mina I'm sorry labantu bangihlekisa because I couldn't stand. I couldn't stand Undaba benoMabhunu bethu. uMabhunu beshintsha iline nje encane ashintsha benza ijoke kuphela ukuhleka esethini. Same thing like Undaba Mhlongo. Undaba Mhlongo khona iline iscene engangashaya I think 10 takes. 10 takes directed lokuthi what's wrong with you? Ngisabukusho ukuthi no Undaba eneline e1 ethi mfana wamsuka la uyangicasula. That's all. Undaba hey wena mfana ibhashi lakho mali leligcwala umoya uphuphuzele vele ngithi but cut yini ngithi I'm sorry let's do it again. Says ngithi nduna besibizana nje ngithi nduna awustick entweni e1 ngizosho lento ya mfana kababa ngizosho lento ngithi okay uMabhunu lapha ngimbhaqa ngimthola athi kuNdaba kuNdaba kayishintshe ngithule ngithi lezi ziphethe mabethi action aqala uNdaba wena mfana inyawo lakho mali jibirike phezu kwekhasi likaBhanana man branda bakat yini so ube enjoy lento lo uMabhunu be enjoy amahlekwa akusumuntu weMP was never to be honest angikhumbuli ngibone ekwatile since Kimaza. I'm not just talking good about him ngoba angikhumbuli in one day ngimbona ekwatile not even one day. Ngimazi ngokuhleka nje avela azilalele kuphela that guy.